and will be showing my portfolio. Um, so for the entire application. Starting off, this here is a render that I made just over 2 years ago. It's one of the first renders I've ever made. I had ever made. It's basically just a depiction of a standard um, DNA. Um, yeah, that's that. This here is my this is a sculpt of Grogu, the character from Mandalorian. Um, it's one of the first sculpts I've ever made. I'd never worked with any other 3D software at this point, and it was just a test to see how far I would get. This is just a screenshot of a um, simple environment within that was made within Blender. It just showcases like a moody living room. I also tried doing some interior design, as you can see. Um, this is my one of my I think it's my second render or so. Basically, it depicts um, a couple of like pieces of paper fluttering in the wind that forms to make a heart shape, and the background of the sunset. The background of the sunset was made by following a tutorial. The um, the rocks and like you see here are assets that I just made through trial and error. Um, this piece here is a just a thing that I made following a YouTube tutorial. It's just a purple planet with a simple ring around it. It was meant to be a test to see how fast I could make renders such as this, like a planet render, I guess. This was a very quick render I made just over 2 years ago. It was basically just me focusing on procedural textures and um, figuring out how that works with normals and everything. Um, this is one of my favorite renders. So it's basically just a simple spherical ripple phase model thing, and the focus of this was the texturing here, the procedural texturing. Um, so yeah, this is a custom made thing. I combined a couple of different tutorials and just prior knowledge that I gained from the previous projects. This character here is just a simple SNL character. I made this just like a couple months ago during my study at the Vrij Beautiful Academy in Amsterdam, and yeah, that's basically just it. This model here is a um, custom custom car model. It's based on a variety of different cars. I don't remember off the top of my head specifically which ones, but I could definitely say for sure a Cadillac. It's the main focus of this was trying to achieve a sort of realistic but CGI look. And I think I've achieved that. And the last piece of my portfolio is this drill here. This drill was something that I made just over a month ago. Yeah, just a month ago. It was for my intake assessment for BUOS CMGT. I applied there right before applying for this study. Um, so this this entire portfolio piece, is basically the product from start to finish. This shows my works in progress and everything, all the drawings. So this was made from exact measurements, um, and that's it. These are just scans of the technical drawings that I made.